Listen, I am I'm thinking like, wait, where did I learn that? From Stefan. Dude, I'm just an actor. Okay? I don't think for myself.
Zena.
Princess Warrior? Where are that? What? Loincloth on? Or Gina?
With a Z.
Or Peanut? Good. Where are you, Gina? There it is. You have a sword with you?
Do you?
She wanted to know what your favorite thing to do while in Atlanta when you have spare time.
Drink booze. You know what? I mean, again, it sounds so lame. We don't really have much typically very There's a basic, there's like a culinary version we do that. Unimpressive meals, there's like, people that are very influenced. Wine. It's a beautiful place. Like, we're only there in a week. It's a weird thing. What was that?
The Leinster Culinary Revolution in Atlanta.